Hi guys, just a quick video about my progress in Unreal and on my game. Look at this light in Unreal, it's beautiful. First, what I want to say that I made this world. I sculpted myself, and for this world I made a fully custom landscape material. On that material I can change whatever I want and however I want it. And you see this grass, it's my grass, it's not masterpiece, but it's PCG grass and it's fully interactable with landscape material. I also made this modular building kit. It's very simple, it's not the best kit on the world, but I need a simple kit for my game. I can make like a million different buildings with it, and I can make bridges and whatever I want. If video is blurry, I'm sorry, because YouTube will 100% destroy this video. This building that I made, I converted this building in packed level actor. So this building is from pieces 2 meters by 4 meters, but when you convert it to packed level actor, this building it become one object, and every single piece in that building is like instance. And for building I'm using LOD, not nanite. I also made this beautiful light for my scene, and it took me quite a while. But most of work I did under the hood that you cannot see. And I did everything in C++. First, I have a fully working player state finite machine with every single state, and every single state is class for itself, and every single state it's easy to add another new status. And also I have free flight where I disable collision, and for me free flight state it's like the most important thing when you're starting a game, because down the line that's the state I will be using the most. And it's beautiful finite state machine. I also made in C++ tool manager where I can change tools, and I can easily add new tools. I do not have animations for that, but I will have it. But I can easily change tools, and I'm thinking about future, because that tool manager class will be easy to combine in future with inventory, and I'll want to have an inventory in future. So it will be easy for me in C++ to communicate between hotbar and this tool manager, and this tool manager is so easy to add new tools. How is it called? I forgot. I know in Godot every tool is like Godot resource. Every tool is data asset, so that data asset it's like resource in Godot. And that was most important thing for me, because I learned from my past mistakes to have a rock solid code that you can upgrade in future, and I understand how and what everything does. And foundation, that's like the most important thing for me, foundation in code, so I can add things in 2 years, in 5 years. The latest thing I've been working on is UI, and I did not use the blueprint graphs because I do not like it. I started to make UI in C++, so it's not something, but it's fully working UI in C++, and every single button it's like a class for itself, and this is like many class that compose with buttons, and every button you can change things with export variables, or you property edit anywhere in Unreal. So I made in C++, I made buttons in stuff with UI that you can change in editor if you don't know what that means, and you can change it and you can control it when you play a game, but you can custom change it in editor. And making UI in C++ is like 10 times harder than in blueprint graphs, but now when I have my classes of UI buttons and everything, and I understand what you can do in Unreal and what you cannot. It's like 10 times more options in code than in graphs. Maybe because I do not understand graphs. For me, working in graphs is like 10 times harder than working in C++. That will be everything for this video. Thank you. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe.